Welcome back to the shop. I'm Brian DeMambro. Let's take a look at a pocket-sized little guidebook to Paris. This binding shows that the book has clearly been handled and used and traveled around. Front cover's almost detached, just held by a binding cord, but nice marbled end papers. And here we've got 1823 Paris imprint. It's got plates right here, engraved plates, and in fact, if we thumb through the volume, we can see many engraved plates, actually, many of them. Let's go back further here. Probably find, yes, here's more. Yes, they're everywhere, scattered throughout. Like so, there's quite a bit of offsetting on some of them, which is an interesting thing. The impressions seem slightly light to me. Interesting. At any rate, here's what's also very interesting about this book is there's at the back this large folding map of the city of Paris with original hand color right here. Yeah, very interesting. Extensive street index all across it in the corners. And here we have, right here, the imprint. Yeah, interesting. Well, this little pocket guidebook to Paris is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.